In this episode of I Tried It, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $4 just for watching TikTok videos, legit and easy. And I'm going to give you a heads up, I am not in the best mood, so I'm not going to probably be as curt and polite as I usually am with these types of videos. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. As a person that has made multiple six figures online with affiliate marketing, YouTube, digital product creation, and course selling, my goal is to create content that actually helps you make money online and not just to waste your time. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned earlier today, I saw this video where it claims that you can get paid $4 for every TikTok video watched. Now, if you've been around my channel for a long time, most likely you probably haven't. This video is a retread video of many other videos that have been done again and again and again. So the process is relatively simple or the same. The original content creator is going to tell you to go find viral videos either on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. You are simply going to then take a screenshot of that viral video, then go over to Canva, upload that screenshot, and then put some text that is clickbaity. You're going to download that Canva image. You're going to upload it into Pinterest. And then the next step is you are going to go over to shrinkme.io and you are going to get a link for a video. And then you are going to put that link in your Pinterest pins. And then magically you are going to make $4 for every TikTok video watched. Now let's talk about all the problems with this video. There are a number of problems and I don't even really know where to start. First and foremost, let's start with the problem of this video, because this video, if I just hit enter, this wasn't the first video that I found of this, but if we look at this, this is the exact same video that someone made 9 months ago. In fact, if I just did a search, you'll probably see multiple videos that are just like this. The exact same copy and paste method. If we look, it says shrinkme.io. Actually, if you look at my history here, you can see this one, easy way to make $4 for every TikTok video watched. And so the thing that bothers me with this method, first and foremost, is that it wastes your time. It's not going to work. I'm going to show you why it doesn't work in just a moment. The bigger issue is this method of copy and pasting viral videos or videos that have worked. It's a method that's being taught. I can almost guarantee you that a large portion of these 59,000 views are bought views from a website like Pico Workers or Micro Workers, something like that. I know, I'm fairly certain. And if we look at the comments here, the comments all pretty much sound the same. Amazing content, very informative, looking forward to learn more of your video. Very informative and interesting video. All the things is clearly mentioned. Thank you for sharing. If we go through, nice video, all information explained clearly. Thanks for guide. I was looking for earning by TikTok. Nice video for sharing this informative content. Most of these comments are fake. Good portion of these views are fake. And I'm going to explain the process of what they're doing. And I'm going to explain the process of why this original video doesn't work in just a moment. But what really bothers me about this is people are just finding viral videos. They're downloading the script. If we click this link here, we can download the script and then we can put it through a website, Quillbot, and spin the article or the video so that it's relatively new. And then you're hiring video editors and photo editors and voice actors and actresses to recreate this video. Ever since AI came around, now you're just using AI voiceovers to do this type of stuff. So it bothers me simply because it dilutes YouTube's quality and it's a bunch of junk. And we know why people are doing it. People are doing it because this is a high CPM niche. You can make anywhere between like $10 and $50 per 1,000 views. And so people can just quickly make this type of content. Doesn't take a lot of energy and effort, and before you know it, they start making a decent amount of money. Like I showed you with this video, I'm sure that there are multiple versions of this video from The Prodigy, who probably took it from somebody else. But let's take a look at this process. As I mentioned, you're going to go over to TikTok, find viral videos, take a screenshot, go over to Pinterest. But the biggest problem is that they're telling you that you can make $4 per video, but let's look at the website that they tell you to go to. It's not as easy as they want you to believe. So if you live in the United States, or if the person that clicks on your Pinterest pin and views the video, they would get $11 per 1,000 views. You would need to get 1,000 views to make $11, okay? Remember that. Visitors must be unique within 24 hours, must view your page at least 10 seconds, must have JavaScript enabled, must have cookies enabled, must reach the destination. So you get $1 for signing up, and the minimum payout is $5. Now, I've said this multiple times. I think they make the payout minimum so low because they think people that are trying this method say, great, it's only $5, and so it's really low, I can make it, but the conversion, the chances chances of you actually making that payout are so significantly low that very few people actually do this. All right. So if we look at the payment proof, I don't trust this payment proof because this could be made up, right? This person only made $91. I highly doubt that. And now I'm going to show you why. So if we look at to shrinkme.io, this is the back office. You basically will put in a link to your whatever YouTube or TikTok video, whatever it is, and then you're going to get this shortened link. Now, in order for you to get paid, a person has to go from clicking on the shrinkme.io link and actually viewing the content that you're sharing. Okay, so we're going to paste that in and we're going to hit enter. Now, before we get to the actual content that we're interested in, we've got this page. Look at this, and there's nowhere to click. Look at this. If I click close, this opens up something else. Now it wants to save something to my computer, probably malware. Now, please check the CAPTCHA box, proceed to the destination. Would you, logically speaking, oh look, here it is again. Would you hang around any length of time if this is the stuff that's happening? If automatically a pop-up shows up and then it takes me to a website that wants to download stuff into my computer, would you hang around longer than 10 seconds? But you have to click on I'm not a robot, which takes you to another thing here that's downloading something to my computer. That's a bit concerning. I can't do anything. I don't want to download now and I don't want to play now. Would you hang around? Why is this talking about the keto diet? Again, how do you proceed? That's the question. This is why it's impossible to make $4 for watching a video or whatever this method is, whatever the junk that this video is, because where do you click? Where should you click? If I click download now, I'm going to download something. If I click play now, it's going to make me download something. If I try and click on CAPTCHA, it does that. If I click here for continue, it doesn't allow me to do that. And it takes me to this page. But as you can see here, this is why I don't believe that these payout rates are real. And even here, it takes me, when I click on payment proof, it takes me to this. This is why I don't believe what this says. I don't believe this. It's just, they've got to show me real proof other than what they're saying, because all of this looks like one big scam. In fact, I probably need to go wash my computer with dish soap because this is just grimy, spammy. It's absolutely completely trash. And it really does bother me that this method and every iteration of it just keeps popping up. Get paid for every TikTok video watch, get paid for every YouTube video watch. I mean, you can substitute here. Actually, let me just do this one because this is probably the genesis. In fact, I've done a video on this one before. Get paid for every TikTok video watched. If I just copy this and I paste this in, and you might be asking, Alston, why do you keep doing these videos? Because there's people out there that are desperate, they're frustrated, they're looking for ways to make ends meet. They come across these videos where people are telling you that you can make $2 or $4. You can see here that you can make $4 for every TikTok video watch, legit and easy. You can get paid $600 watch, and I guarantee you all of these videos are just copy and paste of one another. You could go through it if you wanted to, but these are all the exact same video, and it's annoying and it's frustrating. And you can substitute TikTok, you get paid for every YouTube video watch, and once again you're gonna see, boom, get paid $3 for every YouTube video watch. It's the same process. Do shrinkme.io, blah 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 blah, and it's annoying and it's frustrating and it dilutes YouTube and it makes YouTube worse. And it site pays $2 for every minute of watching stream. We'll probably test this one. This one will probably also fail as well. But again, why do I keep doing these videos? It's simple. There's a lot of people that are watching these videos that are in desperate situations that are looking for ways to make ends meet. And these videos, the video that I am commenting on that I've tried before, is predatory. It preys on people's desperation, fears, insecurities, and anxiety. And they're just doing it to put money into their pocket. What would be even worse is if they included an affiliate link. Yeah, so there's an affiliate link here too, which makes it even worse. So they're getting paid in two ways. They're going to get paid from YouTube between $10 and $20 CPM, and then they're earning affiliate commissions for having people sign up to this scam of a website. Maybe there isn't an affiliate program, but let's see if there's an affiliate program that's included as well. Referrals, here we are. So shrinkme.io referral program is a great way to blah, blah, blah. You get 20% of their earnings for life. So you can make 20%, and then you can put these banner ads in, make money. So if I was you, I would stay away from any YouTube channel. I'd block any YouTube channel that is telling you that you can get paid $4 for every TikTok video watch. I would ban any YouTube channel that is telling you to use shrinkme.io as a way to make legitimate money, because you can't. As you saw, the chances of someone getting far enough to actually watching your content is extremely low. You are making shrinkme.io money when sending them by whenever you click on something, they're basically doing arbitrage arbitrage where they're getting paid by a website to show their content places. So everyone's making money in this situation from you, and that's gotta, quite frankly, it's gotta piss you off. So stay away from websites or YouTube channels that are telling you that you can make $4 every one video. If a YouTube video says, hey, go to shrinkme.io, immediately block them, because it's not gonna work. I've done this in the past, I've tried it in the past, and it's just not gonna work, okay? My goal for this channel, like I said, is to actually help you make money by giving you real tips, tricks, and tactics. And I'll say it again because I say it in every video. The only way to be successful online is to create unique original content, okay? The only way to be successful online is to be consistent and persistent and show up every single day for your side hustle like it's a job. You identify a niche or an area that you want to talk to, you create compelling content to help solve a problem, and then you can figure out different ways to monetize. That's it. It really is as simple as that. The problem is most people won't show up for themselves every single day. Most people would rather try and cut corners and find the quick route to things, and ultimately they step over dollars to pick up pennies. That's what this is. If you're trying this method, it's because you don't trust yourself to show up consistently and persistently. I would recommend that you fix that aspect. Show up for yourself every single day, and you'll be surprised at where you are 6 months, 9 months, a year from now. Again, like I said, quite honestly, I'm not in a good mood. I've got some things going on, which I'm not happy about, but this type of stuff needs to be said. And quite honestly, you need to hear it. Now that you know that this method won't work, watch this video next, as it's a free 5-hour masterclass that will reveal how you can actually monetize social media.